Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be making dinner. And this is sun-dried tomato, garlic, and spinach sauce with some linguine. Now what you want to do is you want to heat up your pan. Okay, I've already got the linguine cooking over there. And you want to take some sun-dried tomatoes and cut them up into strips. And you want to take some garlic. And cook this about a minute or so. Sean, are you really tempting me right now? By putting on a goddamn cyclone fan? You serious? I will. You do not want to test me today. He doesn't go back to work until Friday, kids. He's already on my last fucking nerve. Alright. Now, once you get this good and a little bit cooked, you know, because you want your garlic to be cooked up. Not, you know, you just want to brown it just a little bit. Alright. Now you're going to take some half and half. You want to do, say, all depending on how much you're cooking. I'm cooking a pound of linguine, so I'm going to do 2 cups of half and half. Put this in the fridge. Okay, let's give that a good stir. Alright. Now we're going to add in some paprika. Give that a good stir. A little bit of salt. And give that a good stir. Now you're going to want to bring this to a boil and then reduce it down to a simmer. And this is only for a few minutes, okay? Now you want to constantly stir this, because otherwise dairy will always burn to the bottom of your pan. So you want to keep stirring this. Now I'm going to bring this down to medium heat. And then you're going to add in some shredded parmesan. Turn the heat down on the linguine. Give that a good stir. Now you don't have to necessarily use linguine. If you just got regular spaghetti, use regular spaghetti. Angel hair is good, or really any kind of pasta. Alright. Alright, now you want to put in some parmesan. Just a good amount of bit. Alright, now stir this into the cheese melts. And this will give it a nice thick consistency. This is almost like a homemade Alfredo, if you will. Alright, now I'm going to use fresh spinach, but you can use canned or frozen, whatever you have. And you're just going to dump that in there. And you're just going to cook this until the spinach wilts a little bit. The reason for adding more than, enough spinach is because when the spinach cooks down and it wilts, it's, almost like you have nothing in there. You know what I mean? So I like to add a lot of spinach. Go ahead, Penelope, get it. Yeah, you just ate spinach. I think I might add just a little bit more half and half. Here, get. See if this is done or not. Not quite al dente yet. Alright, as soon as this is done wilting, I'm going to turn this off, set it aside, because the linguine is almost done. And then you're just going to put your linguine in the pot, mix it up, and there you have it. Alright, I'm going to wait till my linguine is done. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, now, linguine is done. And just put it in the pot. And then just mix it all together. Garnish with some basil, if you choose. And that is dinner. Bon appetit, and I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.